much we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't widen what doesn't go. I never thought I'd fuck with you as hard as I did.
Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode guys, we'll be heading to Yaounde. Let's go. So guys, it's 3:40 right now. I need to freshen up, pack my stuffs and head to the agency. Guys, funny but true story, yeah? I have no franc on me right now. Let me show you my wallet. As in, 0 franc. I hope when I get a cab, he can accept Momo, or else, guys, I'm stranded. I'm on my way. Yoga. So I tried ordering Yaounde, but the service for bikes are not available because of safety reasons, so I couldn't get a bike. And for taxis you have to pay 700 francs and I have just 400 with me, so I think I'll just take the risk and get a bike from my neighborhood. Let's go.
En espérant très prochainement vous voir devant nos guichets, nous vous souhaitons.
So guys, I just got to my apartment. Do you guys remember the apartment I was in Yaounde the last time? Yeah, that one. So this is the other unit, as you can see, chic and beautiful. So do you guys want an apartment tour? All right, let me give you guys a mini apartment tour, yeah? So this is what it looks like. That's in here. We have the living room area. As you can see, leather chairs, really dope. Then we have the bar over there. One thing I really love about this apartment is the fact that they have really cool paintings. As you can see, I love this one, man. This is really dope here. It has an open style kitchen, as you can see, with every appliances. We have the fridge, coffee maker, microwave, pots, enough plates and cutleries, gas cooker, and here we have the dining. Really small, nice glass table. So yeah, so that's basically where I'm living at, and it's pretty decent. It's really neat and nice, dope, and I'm really comfortable here. Want to book this apartment? That's the number right there. You can call the number, tell him Chimex sent you, and he's gonna give you a discount. It's 25,000 francs a day. Now I'll take you guys inside to see the bathroom and the bedroom. Okay, let's go. So here's the bathroom. Warm water available. after siesting for a bit, I had to go out and meet my YouTube friends.
Make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate.
Here with the beautiful Cameroonian YouTubers.
Hello guys, I'm Karen.
Hey Karen Sunjo.
Yes,
How you doing?
I'm fine. And you?
Good. Mabi. The V herself.
Hi. Hello.
Finally.
Finally met Chima. Noise maker.
Mabi. Quiet girl.
The trouble causer. on the group.
Me.
This is
Troublemaker.
Hi guys, we are Cameroonian YouTubers.
So it was basically a tour with my Cameroonian YouTubers, and I'll be bringing that in a separate video for you guys to enjoy. So right now, I'll just have a recap of my activities while I was in Yaounde. So this is the Unity Monument, and after that we went to Mont Phoebe. You know this place now, everybody does.
I like to do it for people, but myself, I cannot do it. It's nice now.
After the tour, we went to this beautiful rooftop lounge known as V Lounge, located at Imana. So here we had some drinks, barbecue, and guess what? We did karaoke, guys. Stay tuned to watch the competition between me and Bitakwe.
It was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. I never thought I'd fuck with you as hard as I did. Got me thinking about a life I have.
If you make it fast and cast us, so we can finally fly off with the NASA. You want to live in Mike. Always get it live. We were never meant to be, baby, we just happened. So please, don't mess up the tree. Hey, young world, I'm the new sleeping we can see. I'm worth to quit, so we can let this moment pass us. Me, baby, this is tragic, but we had it, we was magic. I was lying, now I'm crashing. This is bad, real bad, Michael Jackson. Now I'm mad, real bad, Joe Jackson. You should be a boyfriend now. I'm your ex-baby.
When you're done, it seems to hold that long.
I'm thinking this one. But if you just believe, there's no way you can fall.
There was days in your life.
Oh, the chance can only come where we stand.
yesterday. And taste the street to push it down. I'm working against I'm working against time. I have to eat fast.
Ça fait des jours que je ne suis pas rentré chez moi. Je me demandais si je pouvais rentrer ce soir. Regarde, c'est bon, tu peux rentrer chez toi. Moi, je vais rester travailler. Je te remercie.
So Yaounde was good. Yaounde was beautiful. Like, it was fun. I just ordered my Yango and I'm heading back to Douala right now. The town, the city of good things, the city of hustlers. Yaounde is too slow, I beg. Yaounde is too slow and too suit people everywhere. Too many suit people everywhere. So, see you, Douala.